and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to make a fresh bacon salsa. Now, I am completely making up this recipe on the fly. I'm pulling out ingredients that I have in my fridge, and you too can do the same thing. Stay tuned for this week's episode. The beauty of this recipe is you literally can make this salsa using any fresh ingredients you have on hand. Today, I'm going to be using a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper, of course, cilantro. I am using some Hell's smoked bacon. I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno for heat. You could, of course, could use poblanos, habaneros, whatever you like. I happen to have two kinds of tomatoes in my fridge. I've got some romas and just regular reds. So I'll use one of each probably, and a white onion. And because I am feeling lazy and I do not want to spend the time to roast my peppers or my tomatoes, I'm gonna cheat and use this liquid smoke to just put a dash of that in there. And of course some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna throw in some cloves of garlic. You guys can add whatever ingredients you want or delete whatever you want. All right, instead of filming all my chopping, I think you guys know how to chop veggies. I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting that ready for the food processor. I am frying up my bacon. I just kind of cut it in little pieces. I have been busy frying up my bacon. Ooh. And I have chopped up a little bit of jalapeno. We're going to throw in some garlic cloves, green bell pepper, white onion, our combination of red tomatoes and Roma tomatoes, parsley and red pepper. Of course, some salt and pepper. I've got my liquid smoke, and it's all going in the Cuisinart over here. Let's go. I am just going to start adding these ingredients in here. I'm not sure how much is going to fit in here. Again, you guys, I literally made this recipe up with ingredients I have in the house. I may have to start blending and then add more as we go. All right, let's do that. We are processing away. Okay. Oh my goodness. Smells amazing. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it into a salsa container and we're gonna do a taste test. Actually, let's put in a little more salt and pepper. And I put in a little bit before I started blending, but I think we should have more. And then of course we have to have our liquid smoke. So, because I didn't roast my peppers. So I'm going to give it another whirl and then we'll be ready to dish it out. And now for the taste test. Let me see if I can show that to you. Okay. So I am just going to dip it in this salsa with a chip. You of course could put this on salmon. You could just put it on anything, your tacos. Okay. Wow, I can smell the bacon and I can smell the jalapenos. Yikes. Oh. So the smokiness from the bacon was smoky, but also I put in that liquid smoke, which I think was a great idea. And the tomatoes are bursting with freshness. The jalapeno gives it a little bit of a bite. The onions actually are sweet, and the green and red bell peppers add a lovely flavor in the background as well. Mmm, so good. Again, you guys, you can literally make this with anything that you have in your refrigerator. If you don't have enough peppers, or you could alter the pepper. I used a jalapeno. You can use any kind of hot pepper that you like. And again, you could use this on fish. You could put it on your tacos, your burritos. You could also, you know, if you want to add like mango to this, it would be good. Or pineapple if you want to make it even sweeter. There's just so many variations of salsa that you can make. So be creative, you guys. If you make this, give me a thumbs up. Comment below on what ingredients you used and how it turned out for you. All right, guys, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye! Yeah. Yep. This is one of those, I'm going to eat it all before the hubs gets home.